Olympic RescueIt Wood and Concrete Resurfacer is the ultimate remedy for severely weathered or damaged wood and concrete. This high-performance 100% acrylic formula fills cracks up to 1/4 inch, locks down splinters, and provides a barefoot-friendly, extremely durable surface that resists fading and creates a mildew-resistant coating while giving new life to your wood. And you can select from over 110 colors to create your perfect outdoor living space. It can be applied to horizontal and vertical surfaces and is ideal for structurally sound decks, stairs, docks, porches, patios, and sidewalks. Now you can roll away years of wear and tear on your deck or dock. Save yourself time, money, and the frustration of needing to replace your wood. Applying RescueIt Wood and Concrete Resurfacer is easy. Let's show you how. The surface must be clean and free of dirt, grease, mildew, and algae to ensure product adhesion. Thoroughly clean the surface with Olympic Premium Deck Cleaner, and when dry, sand any loose wood fibers. Cleaning with a pressure washer is not recommended. Pressure washing the wood surface can drive contaminants into the wood, eventually leading to coating failure. Deck screws, raised nail heads, or loose decking boards should be secured. Remove loose splinters and replace rotting or severely damaged boards. Wood cracks and depressions deeper than 1/4 inch should be filled with an exterior paintable sealant caulk. Before application, cover and tape off surrounding areas. Avoid application in direct sunlight or on hot surfaces. There should be no threat of rain for 24 hours. Ideal temperature for application is between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Your surface must be thoroughly clean and dry before applying RescueIt Resurfacer. After you have cleaned the wood, it's a good time to stain all vertical surfaces, such as railings and under-the-deck lattice or trim. You can also apply RescueIt Resurfacer to vertical surfaces, or you can use Maximum Solid Color Stain. Here, we will apply 2 coats of Maximum Solid Color, tinted to russet for the deck skirting and stair risers, and a complementary color, Rawhide, for the railings. Thoroughly stir, then pour a generous amount of product into the roller tray. Before rolling on the first coat, use a brush to apply RescueIt Resurfacer between decking boards. Dab the product into any 1/4 inch deep cracks, knots, nail, or screw holes until the hole or crack is filled. Cut in around the edges of the entire deck surface with a small brush using a short dabbing stroke. Treat all areas of the wood, including joints, edges, and ends of the board. Fully saturate a 1/2 inch nap roller in the coating by rolling back and forth in the tray. A fully loaded roller will ensure cracks are filled and will cover an area of approximately 5 to 7 square feet. By using slight and even pressure, slowly apply the product to a few boards at a time, keeping a wet edge to avoid lap marks. Some decking boards could be warped or cupped. To ensure RescueIt Resurfacer is driven into cracks, roll across the narrow width of the board as well as the length of the board in these areas. Lightly brush any product that drips between the decking boards. For a smoother appearance, you can also lightly back brush after rolling on the coating. Allow 6 hours for the first coat to dry. Cut in with a light dabbing stroke around the edges of the entire deck surface. Dab the product into any cracks, nail, or screw holes and knots that still need to be filled. Fully saturate the roller with the coating by rolling back and forth in the tray. By using slight and even pressure, slowly apply the product to a few boards at a time, keeping a wet edge to avoid lap marks. On the boards that may be warped or cupped, roll across the narrow width of the board, as well as the length of the board, like you did on the first coat. Lightly brush any product that drips between the decking boards. Again, for a smoother appearance, you can lightly backbrush the surface after rolling. Allow the final coat to dry at least 12 hours before foot traffic and 48 hours before replacing furniture or heavy objects, such as potted plants. In just a few days, Olympic RescueIt Resurfacer can simply and affordably turn your weathered wood into a beautiful outdoor space. So if your outdoor space is weathered or damaged, don't replace it, rescue it. For more details, visit olympic.com.